All right, so we've been getting some questions about printers on our MacBooks. So here's what we're going to do. First, you need to make sure that you have installed the correct printers onto your MacBook. So go into your Middell Manager app, looks like the Middell logo. Once it opens, make sure that you are signed in and make sure you are on self-service. If you're not on self-service, simply click that box, change it to self-service, and you should be good to go. Then you're going to go down to My Printers. From here, you should be able to see your site printers. All of them will be listed under one category. So then you're going to hit Install Now. And then it should say Command Sent to Device. So that will install your printers on your device. Then you can hit the X. From there, we're going to open a document that we need to print. So we're going to do our MacBook Handbook. All right, then we're going to go to File and Print. Make sure that the document is more than one page if you are wanting to double-sided print. It won't be an option if your document is only one page. All right, so underneath the printer, all of these gray ones are not going to have the option for double-sided printing. You have to find one that has the black printer, this one. I only have one on mine for some reason. But this with the black icon and the name first, this is the correct printer that is going to have the option for double-sided. So I'm going to click on this printer. And now double-sided is an option. So I can click on, and then I simply hit print. And that is how you will double-sided print with your MacBook. Again, make sure that the printer you have is the black icon with the school name first. All right, thank you.